What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best laptops in 2021. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. We will kick things off with the Microsoft Surface Pro 7, to which we have awarded the title of the best 2-in-1 laptop available on the market in 2021. More powerful than ever, the Surface Pro 7 features an Intel Core portable class processor, an improved battery, a better graphics card, and a wider range of multitasking options. Extremely light and versatile, this device will allow you to accomplish more in all conditions. It utilizes an HD camera and all-day battery life. The Surface Pro 7 can be turned from a laptop into a tablet with an integrated stand and removable cover, the Surface Signature type. Also, users will be able to customize their workspace by connecting to multiple monitors and accessories using the Surface Dock 2. With fast charging, strong battery life, and a quick start feature, known as Instant On, you can continue where you left off anytime, anywhere. The device sports a wide range of customizing options, including the cover type, Surface Pen, and Surface Arc mouse in vivid colors that you can combine and adjust according to your preferences. No matter what your office looks like, whether it's an office desk or a couch or dining table at your house, the Surface Pro 7 adapts to your needs. Just sit back and get creative. The device utilizes the Windows 10 Home OS, including such nifty features as the Windows Hello feature for signaling in without a password. With an integrated OneDrive, you can protect your photos and files in the cloud. Microsoft Surface Pro 7 comes with a memory storage capacity of 128 gigabytes and the size of 12.8 by 2.68 by 9.21 inches. If you want a standalone Intel Night tablet, all you need to do is fold or remove the cover and close the holder. Highly adaptable and adjustable, packed with strong features and high durability, a thumbs up from here. If your aim is to get all the crucial features of a good laptop and at the same time save money by paying the lowest possible price, we have singled out the Acer Aspire 5 as the best budget device you can find in this category on the 2021 market. You'll be able to improve your workflow and complete projects faster using the power of the AMD Ryzen 4000 Mobile Series processors, an AMD Radeon graphics card, and some extra memory and storage space to boot. The 15.6-inch thin frame monitor has a large screen, so you can easily focus on what's in front of you. The Aspire 5 hides a surprising amount of power under the hood, especially when considering the listed price. With up to 24 gigabytes of DDR4 memory, you have all the power you need to do multiple jobs at once. Also included in the mix is an SSD up to 1 terabyte and a hard disk space up to 2 terabytes. To achieve an even better visual effect and protect your vision, Acer Color Intelligence and Acer Blue Light Shield technologies have been included in the mix. This slim laptop sports a professional look with a brushed aluminum lid. It also includes a set of ergonomic hinges that allow for greater airflow from the underside of the device. When you're not working, relax and enjoy even better sound with Acer True Harmony technology, which is specially designed to provide more realistic sound and deeper bass. The Acer Aspire 5 laptop comes in the dimension of 14.31 by 9.86 by 0.71 inches, as well as a weight of 3.97 pounds. The durability is solid, and while this may not be the top-of-the-line premium device, we can say that it still rocks a shocking value for money in the budget range. Good stuff. Speaking of a good bang for the buck, if value for money is what you're in pursuit of in the 2021 laptop market, we have just the thing. Meet Acer Swift 3, aka the best value laptop out there. The company's Swift 3 series aims at a wide range of users and covers everyone, from casuals to pros in some fields. It is a laptop that is truly intended for almost everyone, and that'll work great in a large number of applications. The device offers clear, vivid colors on a 14-inch screen with a rather thin frame, granting you a larger area for displaying images and content. We quite like how the Acer Blue Light Shield technology filters out blue light that tires the eyes, so you can work comfortably longer. They say that the wide range of vivid colors combined with an elegant case is a feast for the eyes and a paradise for the fingertips. And we tend to agree, especially when considering the price tag. With a weight of less than 4.5 pounds, the Aspire 3 is clearly aimed for folks who are frequently on the go. And with a battery that lasts up to 9 hours, it will deliver on all fronts. The device features a set of 2 slots for PCIe SSDs up to 512 gigabytes, securing a reliable performance and top-notch data stability. You'll also be able to easily store and share important projects and data with 2 terabytes of hard disk space. Thanks to the strategically placed Wi-Fi antenna, the wireless connection is strong and stable. An advanced digital webcam and microphone provide clear picture and sound. Whatever device you need to plug in, you're covered with your Aspire 3. The connectivity is another aspect in which this fella excels in. You have a whole range of ports available, including USB 3.1, USB 2.0, HDMI, and more. The touchpad is precise with a faster response compared to similarly priced items that will enable an even more efficient operation. The palm rests and the space between the keyboard are also made of metal, and we like it. On the right side, under the keyboard, you'll find a fingerprint scanner, which clearly indicates that the level of security offered by Swift 3 is increased, and that it can be used for business purposes. Of course, Windows Hello features are supported, both by the fingerprint scanner and by the webcam. For the listed price, hard to beat. For all you Apple fans out there, we especially singled out the Apple Macbook Air as the MacBook laptop you can find in the market in 2021. Used by students, creative professionals, and many others, the Apple MacBook Pro 13-inch now has the first Apple chip designed specifically for the Mac. Apple M1 integrates CPU, GPU, a neural engine, and more into a single system. Your projects will never work faster thanks to the octa-core processor unit. It just rocks the house, plain and simple. Another thing we very much like is the device's active cooling system that allows the battery to last up to 20 hours. Not just any 20 hours, but 20 hours of video playback. Wow. The 13.3-inch Retina display has a resolution of 2560 by 1600 at 227 ppi, as well as 500 nits of brightness. The screen provides realistic images with amazingly vivid details, which are necessary for graphic design and editing. With the True Tone technology, white balance automatically adjusts to the color temperature of the light around you for a more natural viewing experience. You can connect to the internet via Wi-Fi and use compatible wireless peripherals and accessories with Bluetooth 5.0. The 2 Thunderbolt 3 ports provide USB support and can even connect to the Apple Pro XDR screen in full 6K resolution. Apple has also included studio-quality microphones for clear recordings and calls. There's also the company's latest camera ISP in the M1 chip, securing sharper images and more detail during video calls. You can protect your MacBook Pro with Secure Enclave in M1, as well as the onboard Touch ID. The Touch Bar provides shortcuts, while the backlit keyboard delivers a comfortable typing experience. Furthermore, the Force Touch touchpad provides precise cursor control, pressure detection capabilities, and multi-touch movements. This Mac comes with a pre-installed Mac OS, where updates can be downloaded for free from the Mac App Store as usual. Built with the latest technology, the Apple M1 delivers the performance you need without sacrificing power efficiency. The device sports a set of 4 high-performance cores, each designed to perform a single task, enabling multi-threading. Killer goods. Mixing a premium performance and high durability with the best possible price-quality ratio you can find right now, we decided to award the gold medal and the title of the best overall laptop on the market in 2021 to the Dell XPS 13. Weighing only 2.7 pounds and sporting a very elegant and slim casing, the XPS 13 is a rather thin and light laptop. This fella is best in its class when it comes to authentication and information security. The company's data protection and encryption technologies make it easy for IT administrators in your business environment to manage privacy policies. The Dell Client Command Suite secures smooth automation and easy management and monitoring in all environments. The XPS 13 is built for maximum durability, crafted of a single aluminum block with a durable chassis and an elegant finish. The optional Corning Gorilla Glass NBT makes the screen up to 10 times more scratch resistant. Precisely manufactured, the machined aluminum housing offers an elegant design with high-quality workmanship. It is more robust and stronger than magnesium or plastic housings, and we love it. The black carbon fiber palm rest is pretty cool and comes straight from the aerospace industry. Also, the fiberglass fabric palm rest does an excellent job with minimal weight. The latest Corning Gorilla Glass 6 is strong and resistant to shocks and scratches, while the KSPS 13 webcam is not only smaller, but better as well. The 4-part lens uses more elements than a typical webcam to deliver sharp video in all parts of the frame. The device offers a very long battery life, up to 14 hours for the full HD Plus model when streaming your favorite programs, or up to 8 hours and 12 minutes of streaming on the 4K Plus model. Your system will boot in seconds, with the device offering 512 gigabytes of storage space. Also included in the mix is 16 gigabytes of RAM, allowing you to perform several tasks at the same time, even when it comes to more demanding applications. The device also boasts an improved thermal design that offers a lower thermal conductivity than air in a thin, flexible format to keep components cool. The top-notch speed and intelligence of the 11th generation Intel Core processors and Intel Iris Xe graphics ensure a fast, seamless, and uncomplicated user experience. You wanted the best, you got it. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.